Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is going to be a review. Sum ifs. Less than 30, greater than 30. What's the criteria? Sum all amounts for units sold less than or equal to 30. Criteria. Sum numbers that meet a criteria. This is sum if. This is not sum ifs. We have our first total. Less than or equal to 30. Unsold units. Range. Notice we have unsold. Unsold is E12 right here. What is this? That's our range. Our criteria. Right here, red, less than 30. Sum them up. That's it. Where? Well, we can look at retail price. We have 18. We have one more. And if my vision is, and 20. Sorry. Okay, 73 and 96 is 169. Everything else probably adds up to 620. Here, all we're doing is changing the criteria. Hence, meet a criteria. That's it. You need to get a better understanding. Go ahead, read this, hit F9 if you want a little variety. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.